80, a Land Cruiser 80 series. It's a 94 model. I bought it off a person in Rustaq, and he's going to be meeting me halfway for me to go pick it up. This project is very close to my heart. I think the older the vehicles, the better they are for the kind of driving that I do. But more than that, the reason why I've called this project Ben is because a couple of years back I lost my German Shepherd, and his name was Ben. And then I got Karo, and Karo's an awesome boy, but I still miss Ben. So now when I'm on my trips and I'm in this car in Project Ben, I have both Ben and Karo. Project Ben. So I'm in it. هذه الوحش.